Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI aficionados. Today, we're diving into a fascinating announcement from NVIDIA, a company that's pushing the boundaries of AI and accelerated computing. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of autonomous AI agents and the exciting new tool that's about to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. So, what's all the buzz about? NVIDIA has unveiled NemoClaw, a game-changing stack for the OpenClaw agent platform. But what does that even mean? Well, let me break it down for you. NemoClaw is like a magical command that installs a whole suite of tools in one go. It's like having a personal AI assistant that can do everything from running secure, always-on tasks to ensuring your data privacy and security. And the best part? It's accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. You see, OpenClaw is often described as the operating system for personal AI. It's an open-source project that has taken the AI world by storm, becoming the fastest-growing project in history. And now, with NVIDIA's NemoClaw, this frontier of AI is about to become even more powerful and trustworthy. One of the key features of NemoClaw is its ability to provide an isolated sandbox for autonomous agents. This means your AI assistant can work its magic while keeping your data safe and secure. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your digital life. But here's where it gets really interesting. NemoClaw can tap into both local and cloud models. This means your AI assistant can learn and develop new skills, almost like a human apprentice. It can access the power of frontier models running in the cloud, while also utilizing models running locally on your dedicated system. It's a beautiful blend of local and remote computing, all controlled by your very own AI agent. Now, you might be wondering, but how do I get my hands on this magical tool? Well, NVIDIA has made it incredibly simple. With just a single command, you can install NemoClaw and unlock a whole new world of AI possibilities. It's like having a personal AI assistant builder kit. And if you're attending the GTC, you're in for a real treat. NVIDIA is hosting a Build-A-Claw event where you can customize and deploy your very own proactive, always-on AI assistant. It's a hands-on experience that will give you a glimpse into the future of AI. So, what does this all mean for the world of AI? In my opinion, it's a massive step forward. NVIDIA is not just creating powerful tools, they're making them accessible and trustworthy. By adding privacy and security controls, they're addressing some of the biggest concerns around AI. It's a brilliant move that will undoubtedly accelerate the adoption of AI assistants in our daily lives. As we reflect on this announcement, it's clear that NVIDIA is leading the charge in the AI renaissance. With NemoClaw, they're empowering individuals to create their own AI agents, bringing us one step closer to a future where AI is an integral part of our lives. So what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of NemoClaw? Do you see it as a game changer for the AI industry? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology and AI.